Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Design channel. So friends, today I will talk about Minisforum MC560 a mini PC. So friend, Minisforum is introducing an unusual computer. MC560 a mini PC comes with 2.5K QHD HDR webcam, and it also belongs to a new lineup called Mars, which aims to combine trends and innovation between small form factor desktops and other superior technologies. And friend, the MC560 is powered by Ryzen 5 5600U, a 6-core 12-thread chip that overclocked at a 6-core 12-thread chip that clocked at 2.30 to 4.2 GHz with 16 MB of level 3 cache, and integrated a Radeon RX Vega 7 integrated graphics card with 7 CUS at up to 1800 MHz and measuring 4.2 into 2.7 into 6 inches. This computer is super compact and has a lower TDP at 15 watts. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.